If I take a look at my first board that I will be cutting, I have one end that is fairly good. It is not square, but it looks fairly good. My other end, however, has a large crack. If I start by cutting off the entire cracked portion, I'm hoping that I have enough material left to get my 3 24-inch long pieces. Alternatively, I could take a little tiny bit of material off of the good end or the better end, and I know that I would have enough material to get me 3 pieces. And even if my third piece has a little bit of that crack on it, I can rip that off on the table saw at a later time, thus ensuring I have plenty of material to get my 3 24-inch pieces and reducing the amount of waste in the process. When we get to the miter saw, do not follow the chalk lines. The chalk lines mean nothing at this point. They are only used to ensure that we have enough material. So we're going to take off just a little tiny bit of material just to square up the end of this board. We're then going to measure our board to a length of 24 inches. Now again, the final measurement is 23.5, so this 24-inch measurement will give us an extra ½ inch of material to work with. And we will again measure 24 inches and cut our second piece. We'll then flip our board to make sure we have plenty of material to hang on to. On my 6-inch wide board, I'm going to begin by squaring up the end. Now we do have an area where there is a knot, and I want to try to remove a decent portion of that material. And on the other end of the board, we also have a knot and a big divot missing. So regardless of the end that we start with, we will be removing a fairly significant chunk of waste material. Measure that at 24 inches again, and our final cut. We now have 4 boards that are cut to an oversized measurement of 24 inches. If we put the boards together and measure the total width, we have 23 inches, which is more than our 16.5-inch measurement that we need to create our sides blank. So this will give us more than enough material to create both of those sides.